Hey there, language enthusiasts! Whether you're a total beginner or someone who's dabbled in a few languages before, you're in the right place. Today we're diving into a world where learning a new language fits perfectly into your busy life. Do you find yourself juggling a busy schedule but still dreaming of mastering a new language? Maybe you're balancing work, family, and a social life, and it feels like there's just no time left for anything else. No worries, my friends, because today I'm sharing the secret sauce to becoming a busy linguist. You don't have to put your life on hold or sacrifice your passions to achieve your language goals. Now let's dive into the Busy Linguist Bible. This isn't just another list of tips. It's a mindset shift that will help you make language learning a natural part of your daily routine. This is your ultimate guide to successful language learning, even if you're on a tight schedule. Imagine learning while you commute, wait in line, or even during your coffee break. The beauty of the Busy Linguist Method is its effectiveness and efficiency. It's designed for people who want real results without spending hours every day. You don't need hours of study. Just 15 to 30 minutes a day can work wonders. In fact, shorter, focused sessions are proven to help you remember more and stay motivated. So how does it work? Let's break it down step by step so you can see just how simple and powerful this approach can be. It's all about smart strategies and consistency. The key is to make language learning a habit, not a chore. When you do a little bit every day, it adds up fast. First, unleash your inner motivation. Remind yourself why you started and what you hope to achieve. Motivation is the fuel that keeps you going, even on busy days. Find those reasons why you want to learn a language. Is it to travel, connect with family, advance your career, or simply challenge yourself? Is it for boosting your business, expanding your network, or just for the joy of learning? Maybe you want to impress your friends or feel more at home when you travel. Keep those motivations front and center. Write them down, put them on your wall, or set reminders on your phone. Let them inspire you every day. Next, I'll share some tried and true tips and tricks for making steady progress. Consistency is key, folks. Even on your busiest days, a few minutes can make a difference. Instead of cramming hours, sprinkle short, focused sessions throughout your day. Use flashcards while waiting for your coffee or review vocabulary during a quick break. Use apps, listen to podcasts, or watch videos during your commute or lunch break. Technology makes it easier than ever to fit language learning into your lifestyle. Creating an individual language learning plan is crucial. Map out your week and decide when and how you'll study, even if it's just for a few minutes at a time. Tailor it to fit your unique schedule and goals. Maybe mornings work best for you, or perhaps you prefer evenings. Make it your own. Break down your learning into manageable chunks. Focus on one topic at a time, like greetings, numbers, or common phrases, and build from there. Set achievable milestones and celebrate your progress. Every new word or phrase you master is a step closer to fluency, so reward yourself along the way. Remember, it's your journey, so make it work for you. Finally, envision the possibilities. Picture yourself confidently speaking with native speakers or navigating a new city with ease. Imagine speaking fluently at a business meeting, making new friends, or even exploring a new culture on your travels. The world truly opens up when you speak another language. Language learning opens doors you never knew existed. It's not just about words, it's about new experiences, opportunities, and connections. So take that first step today. Even if it's small, it's the beginning of an exciting journey that can change your life in ways you never expected. Embrace the Busy Linguist Method and transform how you learn languages. Make it fun, make it personal, and watch your skills grow day by day. Whether it's for career advancement or personal fulfillment, there's no better time to start than now. The sooner you begin, the sooner you'll see results. Thanks for tuning in. Hit that subscribe button for more tips, and let's unlock those language skills together. Join our community of learners and share your progress. We're here to support each other. Until next time, keep learning and stay inspired. Remember, every minute counts, and your language journey is just beginning.